Because at the number one spot, we have the education sector, encompassing DepEd, SUCs, CHED, and TESDA. Asterisk. It has a staggering budget of 1.055 trillion pesos, up from the proposed budget of 977.6 billion pesos. I mean, case solved, di ba? As you can clearly see, mas mataas ng mahigit 48 billion pesos ang sektor ng edukasyon to any other government agencies including DPWH. Pero, did you catch that? Asterisk. May asterisk. I mean, what could possibly bring asterisks, di ba? Well, as shed light on by GC Punong Bayan, assistant professor at UP and columnist at Rappler, ipinakita niya ang malaking asterisk proving the administration's malicious compliance sa konstitusyon. Yung asterisk sa education sector holds a big secret kasi madalas ganito ang siste. Tuwing budget appropriations, ang magkakasama lang sa education sector na binabundle up was the Department of Education, State Universities and Colleges, Commission on Higher Education at TESDA. Pero dito sa budget na nilagaan ni BBBM, isinama sa count ng budget ang Philippine Military Academy, Philippine National Police Academy, Philippine Science High School Systems na usually under DOST, at marami pang iba. Unusual and out of the usual practice ng DepEd, SUC, CHED at TESDA lang ang binibilang katulad last year. These added academies and high school systems amount to